can't tell if they sound like crying or screaming babies.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize there was a difference. Oh my god, die! No.
There is a difference.
No.
Crying and screaming. Generally, they're screaming within the crying.
I see.
But, on occasion, rare occasion, there is a difference.
Back way off.
Hold your breath, Clank.
They're dead.
Looks like we're going for a dip.
Yep,
What do you think?
We're going down underwater. I actually have that sword thing that I probably should be using. The whip.
Oh, yeah.
I just haven't cared to use it yet.
Makes sense.
I'm still scarred from the previous games.
The failure of the whip. Watch out for the miney looking things.
Alright, now we know what it does.
Did you do that on purpose?
Yes.
Okay, so no.
Yeah. Did you do that on purpose? Yes. Okay, no. Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so what's over there?
Nothing.
Don't say that. There could be a bolt. You don't know. Oh god. So nothing. For once in this game's history, there's literally nothing there. I have no reason for me to go there. Upsetting.
Except to waste time.
Which is what I do best!
Yay!
See, I know you guys die when you hit the water. Because unlike you, I swim. Haha, cat out of water.
Yeah?
To access
No.
your map, press the select button.
Ooh, that was almost two of those things I almost hit.
That would have been amusing.
Sure for you. Hey, buddy. There's one. No, you don't get to do it.
He literally, that's what he does.
You do it wrong.
You do it wrong.
Your-
Actually.
Your face.
Technically.
I
if
do.
you want
I always do it right.
But don't cats
Just-
hate water? It depends on the cat, actually. My
Fact.
cat, Toothless, loves water.
Hilarious fact.
My cat, Gwen, will probably claw your eyes out trying to get away from it.
I wouldn't know that.
You probably wouldn't want to.
Yeah, those seem like a fact I really want to know. Oh, where am I supposed to go?
I don't know, I am now officially lost.
I just went back this way.
Your nose okay?
Yes.
Was it itchy?
Yes. Oh god, like my ears are glowing. I forgot where to go. Oh wait, that's right.
There's a
I need
crazy
to...
kitty. You have a map.
Yep.
A wonderful map.
Really?
Yep.
We're doing this right now?
Yep. I could sing more.
You could, but you could also not.
I could, though. It's a good thing I
Yeah.
don't actually sing like that. I would be very sad.
I have completely forgotten where to go.
Pull your map back up.
The map is not helping me.
Oh.
So we came this way, we jumped over here, we did that.
Can you go on top of
I
that
can't
where
go-
the little thingies are clamping together?
Ow!
And you just randomly ran
I can hit by
into
that
those
though.
things on
That's
the ground?
great. Is this? Oh, maybe it's not here. This is where I grabbed the piece.
Mm-hmm.
There's something over there I just missed. I think I remember doing this before, and it was like stupid easy when I found it.
Like that little thing over there to the right? There you go.
Yeah, except the fact, if I remember correctly,
That
yeah,
should
this
take
is
you
back where I
to-
was started.
Hmm.
Oh wait, am I
There's
supposed to?
a door?
Oh
Did you get
no,
it?
yeah, it took me back. Yeah, I'm good.
It's supposed to take you back.
It's supposed to
where
take you back to where you go, because you're supposed to go back because you found your piece.
Makes sense.
Yep. Makes sense when you're not an idiot.
Or when you get over the idiocracy.
Idiosyncrasy.
Idiocracy.
I don't know why it keeps
What?
doing that. I'm trying to put. It's pushing forward, but it's not counting it as forward.
Oh.
No. My bolts!
Go away. We do not want you here.
Wait, you know what? I have a weapon for you. Where is it? Is that it?
The slingshot?
Oh, that'd be it. Ow.
That is a very interesting weapon. And super ranged, apparently, because those guys flew back and like 3 others got hit. Stupid. That thing has more health than you would think.
Has more than it should, man.
Yeah, no kidding.
I died.
You died.
That's okay. That's okay. I can go spend more points on things and stuff.
Things and stuff.
Things and stuff.
Stuff and things.
No. That's gross.
It's gross.
This powerful laser guidance upgrade allows 2 rockets to lock on to each target.
Yeah.
Yep. Wait, I can buy it again? What? Oh, it's already bought. Okay, so what?
It was bought.
Damage. There.
Bada bing, bada
Bada
boom.
boom.
I just randomly hit the chair for no reason.
Why are you hitting chairs? Stop
I
that.
didn't do it on purpose. I was fixing my shirt and my hand, like, let go of my shirt without me meaning
Chair
to.
violence.
So I was like,
Human on chair violence. Don't let this sit. Don't let this continue.
let it continue forever. That happened.
Suck it. Oh,
Okay.
really?
Aw. Dang.
Killed it. Wasted every shot of ammo doing it.
Yay! Oh. Is there a reason you did that?
Yes.
Makes sense. Huh? Is that some sort of plant, or is that like about 6 of those things?
Oh!
Oh! What?
That is so great. That's so. Is he moving? Oh my God! His head moves too. Hey, little guy, what you doing?
I think
What's
they're
you
glitched.
doing? Hey, little guy. Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh.
oh.
Now he died? What was that? You sure?
I'm gonna try to help you. Okay, I can't.
They are
Sorry,
rich.
you guys are very stuck.
They have become.
I wish you better in your next life. You.
Poor guys.
It's so like their head moving freaked me out
it's-
at first.
I
I'm like,
know,
ah.
me too. I was like, what the hell is
The
that?
walls move. Ah!
And then they do things like that, and I no longer feel sad for them. Yeah, they're dead. Did they glitch? No, okay.
No, I think it glitched just because there was so much.
Yeah, going on.
Ta-da! There you have it. I did it right.
Yay.
You got a Lumbax flight
No, I was trying
component.
to say lumbrax.
I don't know why.
It
Like,
sounds better.
yeah. I think it's because I've always said lumbrax, and so my brain just goes lumbrax. Stupid. Okay, good. That kills you. That doesn't kill you. God, you guys are super freaking strong.
For itty bitty guys, yeah. Wow.
You did that on purpose.
I know. I know.
I know. I hope you guys stop glitching like that, because this is not showing off the PS3 very well. Considering the PS2 did better. Huh? Wow. Get the money first.
Yes.
You get the money first. Then you get the part. Everybody knows. Okay, now this is going to take me over there, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to go... Whee!
Whee! Oh,
God. I think I got it.
yeah, I think so. Ho, 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 ho. And then they die, and it's like...
Oh my
What
God,
the
you take some
hell?
health. I'm out of ammo.
I don't like that thing. There we go. Better have died from that. You hit it like 5 million times with the other gun.
So there's no reason why that should have survived all that.
The
And
entrance to this raritanium mine is too small for the both of us. Perhaps I should investigate.
Perhaps he should investigate.
don't mind me. Just gonna do this.
Congratulations. You have received an interstellar holophyte from...
Walter Korkowski.
Oh, look who came back to the party!
Yay!
Walter Korkowski.
Walter.
Right. That's what's funny is his name is Walter.
Mm-hmm.
Your name's not Walter. Oh. So I was waiting. I
Yeah.
was waiting for him to be down here.
That's not too small. You could totally fit into it.
I agree.
Like,
Just like a right there.
yeah.
But then we wouldn't have this.
Mm.
Oh God! We have a lot to show you. And they really do.
Yeah?
Yeah. Follow. Levitation. I just always think that was cool. Anyways.
Why do you randomly levitate?
Oh, it allows me to move faster.
Oh.
See? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah,
Hold
this...
R1 too
Yes.
slow to
Watch this,
climb.
watch this, watch this, watch this.
What?
Yeah, right. Cute Clank being amazing. That almost
That
didn't work.
almost did not work.
Right? Yep, this is the game that I did not, I ended up not playing.
What? Why?
Or I didn't finish because I was gonna record it.
Gotcha. You let go like half a second too soon.
Yep, and the the alien,
Nice. I'm sorry, the what?
you'll see their name later, I can't tell you.
You already said it. I just won't repeat it.
It's their name. They already said it. They just haven't officially called themselves yet.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even realize that like they said their name until then. But you find out, I'm pretty sure it's like right here. This is where it gets awesome. You levitate and slow down time. Yeah. Love this game so much. This one's like my favorite. Because you get to do all this cool crap. They think they're all awesome. They're not awesome. Oh, and I guess I can help.
I was about to say, are you going to help or are you just going to let them sit there and shoot 5 million times.
Yeah.
That was almost a fail.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, what was that? Was that your slow motion impersonation?
Maybe.
Makes sense.
I was like, where's the manipulate option? Oh yeah, they build stuff. And it works.
As long as it works.
Yeah. Okay.
It means we don't have a SIGs problem.
Right. Fact. Oh wait, that reminds me. I forgot to do this earlier. Right.
Oh.
I forgot that they did that. There's been a lot of them through
Yeah, I
here,
was
and my
about to say,
brain
you
just...
realize how many of those there were through there.
Yeah, this is actually where it reminded me. I was like, oh yeah, those crystals are breakable. So are you dead? Either he's running. Ah! Right, there's more. There you go. That's their name.
Zony.
I need to get off of this brick. There's metal. Yep, that is their name. They are the Zoni.
Ready, Cooper.
Yeah, they really freaking are. Oh, wait. They lift it. Yeah, and then they all have to go to their spaces.
Oh.
They broke
That
the door?
works.
I thought they were lifting it.
Apparently just breaking it.
My favorite one is the one that lets you speed up time, which will happen later.
You kind of have to wait.
Ow. Oh, frick.
Oh!
Failed.
Aw.
I'm saying, yeah. More. Huh.
That was close. Help! Aw.
And that didn't get close enough. It's a bit more effective.
That was a long time ago.
Oh.
Ugh, nice.
There, I'll like do it right there, and I'll take the damage if I get hit by that.
There you
Whoop-a-ya! Oh.
go. That's all like these bright freaking lights everywhere.
Can't
It's like,
see where he is.
it?
I'm just giving up.
Yeah,
There.
makes sense. Crystals.
Yep. Give me that money, money, money. Oops. Yeah, manipulate. I said it right. I was like, did I miss one?
No. You got off them. What are those bright little, like, firefly light looking things?
Fireflies.
Okay. It's legitimately not what
Yeah. And I forgot you get something in here. I just can't. Oh.
a vision.
Yeah. In the piece.
Oh.
They will return.
Okay.
God, so many crystals.
Did you go to like hover? Or
Yes, I
look for
went
it
to
or
do the.
something?
Yeah. Done.
Yay!
And once again, we are at the same point where we are not telling Ratchet anything that's actually happening. And I do not remember how many more of these I needed. Okay, we're gonna do this.
Although you almost walked off the edge there. And that was close.
That's how I like to do it.
Naturally.
Oh shoot.
Ah! Wow, there's a lot of them.
That would be because that exists.
Oh, that's stupid.
There's two of them actually.
That would definitely
Out of ammo.
explain that. Eight of 18 now.
Oh, I'm out of ammo! Oh god, just run! Oh god.
1 health.
Get the piece, get the piece, get the piece.
Very nice. There is
To our
no
database,
health.
you now have all the parts necessary to restore your ship to working order. Thanks for using Gadget
Yay, you
Pod's
still have
virtual
1 health. Do
diagnostic
not get
service.
hit.
Your account will be billed within 3 working days.
Your account will be built within 3 working days. Okay.
Ready to run for your life? Oh! That's not my...
Or die.
That is
Or
not
die.
running.
Or
That is
die.
hovering.
And then just spawn over here.
Okay.
Same thing.
Naturally.
Do I want to upgrade that? I don't even know if I want to. The plasma whip.
It was cool.
But is it cooler to upgrade like this?
Yeah.
Because that's done.
Yeah. I'd upgrade the guns.
Yeah.
Bada
So there's
bing,
just that little
bada
bit
boom.
left. God, what was that? 400? Expensive. Tornado launcher's still way out of our reach.
Whatever the other one was wasn't
Yeah, it's that plasma one. I don't like it.
Oh.
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work.
Not that all the parts we need are plugins, by the way.
Yeah.
This. Yes? Yes! It's working!
And it flies away.
I can't believe they used sick around them. Bunch of cheats. Oh, a knockback. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Well.
Dreadful little creatures from planet Zurich. Take you on both their loyalty with rare attainments. And to them for his own personal armor.
Those are fish, by the way.
The fish.
Say really. Probably to steal
Oh, I don't care.
the city with his army of rockets. It was a cruel act of retaliation. If only he had known how evil the Red Knights were. Oh, if they had won the Great War, the entire universe would have fallen under their terrible rule.
Not that.
Of course,
Oh, right.
I am equipped
What?
with HD
I had forgot that was the one I needed was to play the holovid.
Mm.
Hop in! Enter ship.
Yay.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction. Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate. Witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Come on down to Planet Mukau
Rated
and
M for mature.
entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only
Look, it's all
for
8-bit.
long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
And their tiny robotic companions.
Like Captain Quark.
Means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into.
Look at all the plans we can go to. Yeah, it allows me to go back and visit what we've done already. Dude, that's a cool ship.
I didn't see it.
I
Oh,
was
the
just-
one he.
yeah,
bid?
our ship.
Oh, yeah. I thought it looked cool when it was dead.
Yeah,
What?
yeah,
That's only awesome.
right.
Oh. Firing back, no fair.
God, I'm so horrible at this.
Okay. Dodge and shoot. That might help.
Really? Oh, really? Oh, God, I was totally. Oh. Ah, frick.
What were those supposed to
I
do?
think health, maybe? I'm not sure.
That or you were supposed to shoot them. So either way, you didn't hit them. At least nothing comes out of that as opposed to possible harm.
They're good things. I just managed to not. Apparently I don't need any.
Apparently.
God, I've got to get used to flying like this.
You can auto-lock onto enemy targets by pressing and holding the L1 button. Release the L1 button to launch a devastating attack.
Really?
Okay. Look.
Yeah, apparently I don't
Yeah.
need those.
Action rings to restore hull integrity.
Oh, L1.
Yeah, L1. Okay. Because we're a Lombax ship. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
One back ship.
Yes, that's what I said. Lombax? I keep wanting to say Lombrax, that's why I have to ask them. Good.
Right? You want to say it like I said it?
Yeah. Because it just sounds better. Like Lombax.
I don't know how many of those I
doesn't sound-
have, but that's pretty awesome.
It's good. Lonely, too lonely.
That heals me.
Oh.
I don't know what those things are, though. I missed all that. Oh, God, my butt.
That one.
Okay, so all I got is my rear gunner. Oh, it's Clank. I was like, I'm assuming it's Clank.
Aw, little Clank.
Somebody said something. Do a barrel roll! No. Off the starboard bow! Jesus, alright.
That happened. Yeah. Yeah. God. I feel like we're gonna hit the rush.
Dang it.
Maybe you have to shoot it.
I do. I just keep missing it.
Well, you weren't shooting, you were trying
No,
to
the
aim to it.
other one. I was trying to actually shoot that one.
I'm picking up a hostile signature. Looks like demolition vessel.
I can't hear her.
Yeah, me either.
I don't know what you do. I don't know what you do. Oh, good, you're
Yeah.
me to kill.
You're like a boss.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, so that's
okay.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So hard.
Oh my goodness. Big gun. Laser.
You never seem to get away from the lasers.
I know. And they're always the ones that generally come close to kicking your butt. Uh-oh. It's gonna follow you really fast. Because for some reason, it's really fast. I don't like it. Ah! Oh, his eye closed. When you shot his eye.
I'm hoping this works. So far, it looks like it's going to work. And there's more. Oh God. 4 out of 5 bonus targets destroyed. I think you get a
Skill point?
yeah, I got skill point anyways.
Oh.
Neat. Minesweeper. Get it. Get a bullet mines.
Yeah.
Very nice. Dual bar roll. Still love it. Those get really hard, by the way.
What?
Those fights.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, they get really hard before they get better.
That one didn't exactly look easy.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, they get harder. They get much harder.
I see you managed to decode my ingenious holobite. I have important information for you. Come find me in the arena.
Alright, guys. Well, that's where we're going to wrap it up. We've had a good long stream on this. We beat the game. We're in the new game now. We're in a new series. It's wonderful. Yeah. Okay.
And now Ratchet is fuzzy.
And now Ratchet is exceptionally fuzzy. Alright, guys. I want to thank you very much for watching. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Nothing?
Bye.